How to use Shopify's App Store. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, it's going to be quick and easy. How to use the App Store of Shopify. So first of all, head to the Apps section. Click on all recommended apps. Then go to Shopify App Store. And here you will find applications that will help you do integrations, automations, and different customization overall for your website, either for the design or the checkout or the way you process orders and the system of your work. And you can find different apps that have the same purpose, but each one is going to offer different things and different options. So you need to experiment with different apps or search online to find the best apps that suit you. For example, I used to use the COD form and upsell code monster, and now I'm using the release it. They both do the same thing, but I prefer the release it because it has more features to it. You can also check the trending apps and watch the tutorials on how to use each application on the application's official website. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.